Hey guys, so today we are going to explore this device. So this one is iPod Touch first gen, which was released back in 2007, and surprisingly iPod Touch first gen is still working. So this one is 16 GB variant, and I do have 32 GB variant too. And as you know, I always collect this kind of devices, and I do have many of them actually right now, like iPod Touch 5th gen and first gen, 4th gen, or second and third gen, a lot of them actually. And as far as usability goes, these devices actually you can still use them to listen music, nothing else. So here, both of them actually working perfectly fine. Although when this device was released, you could do a lot of things, like you can install application and play games and watch videos or YouTube, all those things. But right now, you can't really do much here. Anyway, iPod Touch first gen actually got 3.5-inch display, and this is actually a capacitive touchscreen device, so it feels kind of like a latest device from 2026. There is nothing to complain about this touch. Obviously it feels slow because maybe the display is 60 hertz or 30 hertz, but otherwise it is actually usable. One thing which is kind of strange about iPod Touch first gen is that you don't really get any kind of volume rockers. As you can see here, there is no volume rockers. You do get power button, and here the antenna for your Wi-Fi network, and 3.5mm headphone jack and 40-pin USB port. So right now, both of them actually running on iOS 3.1.3 general about. And as you can see here, both of them running on iOS 3.1.3. And I did jailbreak this one, although after jailbreaking also I could not able to install any application here. As you can see here, Cydia is installed, but it does not really work because of network error. I did try everything like installing certificate, profile and everything, but still I could not manage to make it useful. Only things I can do right now is like listening music. The music experience going to be as good as today's devices. So I have already got all my music here, and you don't really get any kind of speaker on first gen device. It does make sound when you lock and unlock. So lock, and when you unlock, it does make sound. It has some kind of speaker which is kind of like what you get with Casio watches. So that kind of speaker is here. So whenever you play music, it does not really use that speaker. Only way to listen to music is using 3.5 headphone jack, and music experience going to be good. And you do get cover flow with this device, so you can see all the album arts here. They're quite smooth actually, not really that bad. And as you can see here, this device is actually connected to my Wi-Fi, and if I try App Store, obviously not going to work. Cannot connect to iTunes Store. And you can see here the YouTube logo, the old YouTube logo. And if I try, cannot connect to YouTube. I can still browse few things here. As you can see here, I did try to install some repo and to install the certificate, but I could not manage to make it useful here. So rather than listening music, you can't really do much with iPod Touch first gen. But if you have a second gen, third gen, or fourth gen, you might be able to sideload application on them and play old games on them. Other than that, all of them going to give you pretty much similar experience. From the second gen, you do get volume rockers, so they are a little bit more convenient to use than this one, but this one actually feels solid and feels much better than the second gen or third gen or fourth gen. And I do like this actually over all those iPod Touch, although you don't really get any kind of camera here, but still, who needs camera for MP3 player? But anyway, if you are trying to buy one of these devices, they are going for around $20 to $30 right now. depend on the storage variant or the condition of the device. And I got these devices actually around $20 each pretty long ago, and I just kept them as usual. Don't really use them much. And currently I managed to get few more of them, so I did make a short video where I was restoring the device. If you are still using one of these devices, let me know in the comment section below. And if you know how to sideload any application, let me know. I will try to sideload few application here just to make them a little bit more useful. So that's all about iPod Touch first gen. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.